Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of string, which is replace. Replace method also we can use with different scenarios. So here I have listed down some scenarios where we can utilize replace method. Okay, so one by one we will go with each scenario and we'll discuss the output. So for first scenario, what we are doing, firstly we are storing one string into string variable, and the string is hello world. Now suppose if there is any requirement where you want to replace this hello with hi. So how we can do this? To achieve this we can utilize this replace method. So on line number 11 what we are doing, we are just printing the string as it is before any modification. So here you can see I have concatenated one string here before method used, and we are just adding the as it is a string. We are not applying any method before this, right? So it will print before method use hello world. Now on line number 12, we are using the replace method. So to replace, use this replace method, you have to write the syntax string dot replace, and the first argument would be the argument in your string which you want to replace. So I want to replace hello with word hi. So second argument I'm passing here is hi. So what it will do, it will search for hello in the string and replace it with hi. So after method use, it would become new string would become hi world. Okay, so let's see and then we are using \n to change the line. So let's save this and press Ctrl Shift tilde to open the terminal. This is my shortcut to open the terminal, but you can use your own shortcut. And here we will run the program using Python and session 12.py. So session 12 is my program name, and then simply hit enter. Now scroll up to see the output for initial two lines, because we have discussed only about the first scenario. So here you can see before method use it is hello world, and after method use it is hi world. So what basically it did, it changed the hello with letter hi, with word hi. Okay, so this is the first scenario. Now we will discuss about the second scenario. Now suppose the requirement is changed, and now we are supposed to convert all the occurrence of hello in a string with some letter or some word hi. So how we can achieve this? So here you can see on line number 17 we are storing the hello 3 times hello, and then we are converting it using the replace method. So just use string dot replace, first word is hello, replace it with hi. So it will convert the all hello into hi. So this time the output would become 3 times hi. Okay, so you can see this is the second, these two lines is for second scenario, where the before method use it is hi, hello, and after method use it becomes 3 times hi. So this is the second scenario. Wherever there whenever there is a requirement to convert all occurrence of your string, then you can utilize replace method. Now third scenario. Now suppose this requirement is slightly changed, and this time we want to change only the initial two occurrence of the word with hi. So how we can do this? So to use this you can use string dot replace, first argument which you want to replace, second argument by with which you want to replace, and third argument which was optional for the other two scenarios, and this time we are passing it as 2. So what it will do, it will replace the initial hello two occurrence of hello with hi. So after the modification, what would be the output? Output would be a hi, and hello. Okay, so let's scroll down to see the scenario, third scenario output. So you can see here it becomes hello becomes hi, hello. Okay, so this is about the third scenario. Now we will discuss about the fourth scenario. So in fourth scenario we are using simple string hello world, and suppose there is a requirement where you want to remove a particular word or particular collection of characters from your string. Then how we can do this? There also we can utilize replace method. So here on line number 33 what we are doing, we are using string dot replace, and we are replacing the first argument hello comma and space with null. You can see it is blank, right? So what it will do, it will remove these all characters from H to this space with blank. So by doing this we will simply remove this hello, and the output would become only world. So if I do scroll down for next scenario, so you can see the output hello world become world. So this is one of the most commonly used scenario where we use this replace method to replace the particular word or particular collection of characters into null or blank. Okay, and here you can see that \n is we are using for changing the line. Now we will discuss about the fifth scenario. So here the string is I have 5 apples and 3 oranges. So this time we want to convert this numeric to word, to their respective word. So how we can use this? On line number 40 we are using string dot replace. First argument is 5, which is numeric, replace with the character means the word 5. Dot replace. So in a same string again I'm using the dot replace method to convert 3 to word 3. Okay, so this time the output would become I have FIVE. It will be replaced with word 5 apples and 3 oranges. Okay, so let's see the output. If I do scroll down, so you can see I have 5 apples and 3 oranges. So the output would become hi, I have 5, which is characters, and 3 oranges. Okay, so this is also another scenario where we can utilize replace method. Now the sixth scenario is where we are using the variables. So on line number 48 you can see we are decorating one string like this, my name is, and then inside a curly braces I am passing the name and age. Okay, so now what we will do, we will replace this name and age with some variables, or you can say the data which is stored in that particular variable. So on line number 50 we are using it. So we are just simply writing in this way, string dot replace, and the first argument is curly braces name with variable name, and dot replace, you can see we are again using dot replace to convert age with age variable. And here we are also using the str method. Why? Because we want to convert this age which is in numeric data type, so we want to convert it to character using str method. So the output would become, after method use, my name is John and I am 25-year-old. So this would be our output. So let's scroll down and see the output. Here you can see before method use, my name is curly braces name and I am curly braces age year old. So this string would become like this, my name is John and I'm 25-year-old. Okay, so these are some most commonly used scenarios for the replace method where we can utilize the replace method. Other than this, if there is any other requirement for your task, then you can customize your replace method with your scenarios. But mostly we have covered all the things. Most of the time people use this method to replace or to remove the particular characters from a string with null. The one which we discussed in third scenario. Okay, and as we already discussed, the third argument is optional. So whenever you want to replace particular occurrence from the string, then you can pass this third argument. Otherwise, if you are not passing it, then by default it will change for the all occurrence. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. I hope everything is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmat.